Hi friends, welcome to Indian Actress Paradise. In this video, you are going to watch Radha's top 5 waterfall scenes. Radha has done more than 150 films in her film career. She has done variety of roles and scenes in 4 languages. Here we are presenting her top 5 waterfall scenes in films. At number 5, Anandaragam. This waterfall scene of Radha was picturized from the film Anandaragam. It is a 1982 Tamil film directed by Bharani. It stars Shivakumar and Radha in the main lead. The film was produced by Panchu Arunachalam and music was composed by Ilayaraja. Radha was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Velu Prabhakaran. The film is based on the novel Alaigal Oivudillai by Thamarai Sendurapandi. The film got mixed reviews, but Radha was appreciated for her performance by both audience and critics. At number 4, Amman Kovil Kilakkale. This waterfall scene of Radha was picturized for the film Amman Kovil Kilakkale. It is a 1986 Tamil film directed by R. Sundarrajan. It stars Vijayakanth and Radha in the main lead. It was produced by Peter Selvakumar and S.P. Palaniyappan. The music of the film was composed by Ilayaraja. Radha was beautifully picturized throughout the film by the cinematographer Rajarajan. The film was a huge box office success and Radha became a huge star in Tamil film industry. At number 3, Mahamanishi. This waterfall scene of Radha was picturized for the film Mahamanishi. It is a 1985 Telugu film starring Krishna and Radha in the main lead. It was directed by M. Balayya and produced by U. Suryanarayana Babu. The music of the film was composed by J. V. Raghavulu. Radha was glamorously picturized throughout the film by the cinematographer Pushpala Gopi Krishna. Although the film did not do well at the box office, but Radha was appreciated by both critics and audiences. Radha has done a very glamorous role in the film. At number 2, Yanga Chinna Rasa. This waterfall scene of Radha was picturized for the film Yanga Chinna Rasa. It is a 1987 Tamil film directed by K. Bhagyaraj and produced by S. A. Raj Kannu. It stars K. Bhagyaraj and Radha in the main lead. The music of the film was composed by Shankar Ganesh. Radha was very glamorously picturized throughout the film by the cinematographer K. Rajpreet. Radha was hugely appreciated for her performance in the film by both critics and audience. The film is a huge hit at the box office and Radha became a huge star in the Tamil film industry. At number 1, Kadal Parisu. This waterfall scene was picturized for the film Kadal Parisu. It is a 1987 Tamil film starring Kamala Hassan and Radha in the main lead. It was directed by A. Jagannath and produced by G. Tyagarajan and V. Tamilalagan. The music of the film was composed by Ilayaraja. Radha was very glamorously picturized by the cinematographer B. S. Lokanath. Radha was hugely appreciated for her performance in the film by both critics and audience. This video is dedicated to Radha, the glamorous queen of Indian film industry. Thank you for watching our video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel Indian Actress Paradise. Thank you once again.